How to add square root fraction. For example, right here, 1 over the square root of 3 plus 1 over the square root of 5 equal to what? In this case, we can use the butterfly method, which is just take 1 times the square root of 5 just equal to the square root of 5 plus the square root of 3 times 1 is just equal to square root of 3, the divided by, so you multiply this 2 right here, the square root of 3 times the square root of 5, okay? Now this equal to the square root of 5 plus the square root of 3. So the bottom, you just take the 3 times the 5 is equal to 15. So the square root of 15, okay? So can you leave in this form with the denominator with the square root as the denominator? You can't do that. You have to rationalize it. To rationalize the this, all I need to do is just multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 15. Okay, and well, let's just put parentheses here. We can use a distributive property right here. 15 I mean square root of 5 times the square root of 15, and then this plus the square root of 3 times the square root of 15. The whole thing divided by the square root of 15 times the square root of 15. Okay? And so this is you can take the 5 times the 15 would be just equal to 75. So the square root of 75 plus 15, 3 times 15 is 45 plus the square root of 45. The whole thing is divided by, so 15 times 15 will be the square root of 225. Okay? And you know that the square root of 75, you could break it down as the square root of 25 times the square root of 3 plus, so 45 you can break it down as 5 times 9, the square root of 9 times the square root of 5. Okay, whole thing. So the square root of 225 is equal to 15. And the square root of 25 is a perfect square. That's just equal to 5. So that's 5 times the square root of 3 plus the square root of 9 is just 3 times the square root of 5. The whole thing divided by 15. So you can leave in this form right here. So that's the answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.